Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your account on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that tap on this account or profile button in the upper right corner. Tap on profile, which is the first option, and then you can add your name by tapping on the name option. Then you should type in your first and last name. Click on save in the upper right corner. Then you can add your username here as well as your email address, and your password can be changed as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. All of the edit information will be updated and added to your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.